Hello, my curious wildlife explorers! My name is Curious Fairy, and today we are going to travel around the world to discover amazing wild animals from many different habitats. Together, we will explore dense forests, wide grasslands, tropical rainforests, hot deserts, sparkling rivers, and beautiful mountains while meeting some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. We will learn the names of incredible animals like giant pandas, powerful rhinos, green iguanas, sleek black panthers, beautiful ocelots, amazing axolotls, and many more. Along the way, we will discover where they live, what they eat, and the special abilities that help them survive in the wild. Get ready for an exciting adventure filled with fun facts, wonderful wildlife, and amazing discoveries as we explore the incredible world of wild animals together. Wild animals live in many different habitats all around the world, from dense forests and open grasslands to mountains, deserts, rivers, and tropical jungles. Gentle giant pandas spend most of their day eating bamboo in the forests of China, while powerful rhinos roam the African savannas with their strong horns. Green iguanas climb trees in the warm rainforests of Central and South America, and sleek black panthers quietly move through forests using their excellent eyesight and stealth. Beautiful ocelots hunt at night in tropical forests, while the amazing axolotl spends its entire life underwater in the lakes of Mexico and can even regrow lost body parts. Every wild animal has special abilities that help it survive, making our planet an exciting place full of incredible wildlife. Many other amazing wild animals also call our planet home. Towering giraffes use their long necks to reach leaves high in the trees, while mighty elephants use their trunks to drink water, gather food, and greet one another. Colorful macaws and cockatoos fill the forests with bright feathers and cheerful calls, and playful monkeys swing from branch to branch with incredible agility. Fast cheetahs race across the savannah, strong crocodiles wait patiently in rivers for the perfect moment to catch their prey, and curious meerkats stand on their hind legs to watch for danger. Every wild animal plays an important role in nature, and by learning about them, we can better understand the beauty of wildlife and the importance of protecting their habitats for future generations. Giant panda. The giant panda is a gentle mammal that lives in the mountain bamboo forests of China. It is an herbivore that eats mostly bamboo, but it may also eat fruits and other plants. Giant pandas are famous for their black and white fur, strong jaws, and excellent climbing skills. Tiger. The tiger is the largest wild cat and lives in forests, grasslands, wetlands, and mangroves of Asia. It is a carnivore that eats deer, wild boar, and other animals. Its striped fur helps it blend into tall grass and forests, making it an excellent hunter. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros is a powerful mammal that lives in grasslands, savannas, forests, and wetlands of Africa and Asia. It is an herbivore that eats grass, leaves, shoots, and branches. Its thick skin protects its body, and the horn on its nose is made of keratin, the same material as human fingernails. Red-eared slider. The red-eared slider is a freshwater reptile that lives in ponds, lakes, rivers, and wetlands of North America, and it has spread to many other parts of the world. It is an omnivore that eats aquatic plants, insects, fish, and small animals. The bright red markings behind its eyes make it easy to recognize. Tasmanian devil. The Tasmanian devil is a small but powerful mammal that lives in forests, grasslands, and coastal areas of Tasmania. It is a carnivore that eats small animals, birds, insects, and carrion. It has very strong jaws, a loud growl, and is mostly active at night. Iguana. The iguana is a large reptile that lives in tropical forests, mangroves, and rocky areas of Central and South America and the Caribbean. It is an herbivore that eats leaves, flowers, fruits, and shoots. Iguanas are excellent climbers and swimmers and use their long tails to help defend themselves. Monitor lizard. The monitor lizard is a large reptile that lives in forests, grasslands, deserts, and wetlands of Africa, Asia, and Australia. It is a carnivore that eats insects, fish, birds, eggs, mammals, and other reptiles. Monitor lizards have strong claws, sharp teeth, and are excellent climbers, swimmers, and hunters. Gibbon. The gibbon is a small ape that lives in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. It is an omnivore that eats fruits, leaves, flowers, insects, and bird eggs. Gibbons have very long arms that help them swing quickly from branch to branch through the forest. Coral snake. The coral snake is a brightly colored reptile that lives in forests, grasslands, and sandy areas of the Americas. It is a carnivore that eats small snakes, lizards, frogs, and other small animals. Its red, yellow, and black bands warn predators that it is highly venomous. Elephant. The elephant is the largest land mammal and lives in the savannas, forests, and grasslands of Africa and Asia. It is an herbivore that eats grass, leaves, bark, roots, and fruit. Its long trunk helps it gather food, drink water, spray itself to stay cool, and communicate with the herd. Tapir. The tapir is a large mammal that lives in tropical forests, wetlands, and grasslands of Central and South America and Southeast Asia. It is an herbivore that eats leaves, fruits, twigs, and aquatic plants. Its short, flexible trunk helps it grab food and sniff its surroundings. Leopard. The leopard is a powerful mammal that lives in forests, mountains, grasslands, and savannas of Africa and Asia. It is a carnivore that eats antelopes, monkeys, birds, and other animals. Its spotted coat provides excellent camouflage, and it often carries its prey into trees to keep it safe. Panther. The panther is a large wildcat found in forests, grasslands, and mountains of Africa, Asia, and the Americas. It is a carnivore that eats deer, wild pigs, monkeys, and other animals. A panther is usually a black leopard or a black jaguar, and its dark coat helps it hide in the shadows while hunting. Roman snail. The Roman snail is a large land mollusk that lives in forests, meadows, gardens, and parks across Europe. It is an herbivore that eats leaves, flowers, fruits, and other plants. Its strong spiral shell protects its soft body, and it can hide inside when danger is near. Sloth. The sloth is a slow-moving mammal that lives in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. It is an herbivore that eats leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Its long claws help it hang from tree branches, where it spends most of its life resting and eating. Ring-tailed lemur. The ring-tailed lemur is a playful mammal that lives in the forests and rocky areas of Madagascar. It is an omnivore that eats fruits, leaves, flowers, insects, and small animals. Its long black and white striped tail helps it keep balance and communicate with other lemurs. Capybara. The capybara is the largest rodent in the world and lives near rivers, lakes, and wetlands of South America. It is an herbivore that eats grasses, aquatic plants, fruits, and bark. Capybaras are excellent swimmers and enjoy living in friendly groups close to the water. Ocelot. The ocelot is a wildcat that lives in tropical forests, grasslands, and wetlands of Central and South America. It is a carnivore that eats rodents, birds, reptiles, fish, and other small animals. Its beautiful spotted coat helps it hide among trees and tall grass while hunting. Anteater. The anteater is a unique mammal that lives in forests, grasslands, and savannas of Central and South America. It is an insectivore that eats ants and termites. Its long snout, sticky tongue, and strong claws help it find food and break open insect nests. Tree frog. The tree frog is a small amphibian that lives in forests, swamps, and rainforests around the world. It is a carnivore that eats insects, spiders, and other tiny animals. Sticky pads on its toes help it climb trees, leaves, and branches with ease. Black and white ruffed lemur. The black and white ruffed lemur is a beautiful mammal that lives in the tropical rainforests of Madagascar. It is an omnivore that eats fruits, leaves, flowers, nectar, and insects. Its thick black and white fur, fluffy tail, and loud calls help it stand out in the forest. Echidna. The echidna is a unique egg-laying mammal that lives in forests, grasslands, and deserts of Australia and New Guinea. It is an insectivore that eats ants, termites, and other small insects. Its sharp spines protect its body, and its long, sticky tongue helps it catch food. Axolotl. The axolotl is a unique amphibian that lives in freshwater lakes and canals in Mexico. It is a carnivore that eats worms, insects, small fish, and crustaceans. Unlike most amphibians, it keeps its feathery external gills throughout its life and can regrow lost body parts. Common marmoset. The common marmoset is a tiny mammal that lives in the tropical forests of South America. It is an omnivore that eats fruits, insects, tree sap, nectar, and small animals. Its long tail helps it balance while climbing, and it lives in close family groups. Red panda. The red panda is a small mammal that lives in the mountain forests of the Himalayas and southwestern China. It is mainly an herbivore that eats bamboo, but it also eats fruits, berries, eggs, and insects. Its thick reddish fur and long bushy tail help it stay warm in cool forests. Bat. The bat is the only mammal that can truly fly and lives in forests, caves, deserts, and cities around the world. Most bats are insectivores that eat insects, while some eat fruit, nectar, or fish. They use echolocation to find food and safely fly in the dark. What an incredible journey around the world we had today! We met amazing wild animals from many different habitats and learned their names, where they live, what they eat, and the special abilities that help them survive. Every animal, from the giant panda to the tiny axolotl, plays an important role in nature. The more we learn about wildlife, the more we can appreciate and protect our beautiful planet. Thank you for exploring with me today. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join me again for more exciting wildlife adventures. See you next time, my curious wildlife explorers! Hello, my little explorers! My name is the Curious Fairy, and today we are going to learn about a very special group of friends, the domestic animals. These are the creatures that have lived alongside humans for thousands of years, becoming our helpers, our providers, and our family. We are going to visit the busy world of the farm, where animals like cows, sheep, and chickens work as a team to provide us with food and warm materials. We'll also look at our beloved pets at home, who teach us about loyalty and friendship every single day. Today, we will discover how these animals rely on our care and how, in return, they make our lives much better. So, let's begin our investigation into the wonderful bond between people and animals. Domestic animals are those that have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. They have changed over time to become our helpers, our providers, and our closest friends. There are two main groups, farm animals and pets. Farm animals, such as cows, pigs, goats, and chickens, are raised to provide us with essential things. They are part of a hardworking team that gives us food like milk and eggs, and materials like wool for our clothes. On the other hand, pets, like dogs, cats, or rabbits, live inside our homes primarily for companionship. While farm animals often live in barns or pastures and have specific jobs to help provide for people, pets are treated as part of the family, sharing our living spaces and giving us emotional support. Both groups rely on us for care, and in return, they make our lives much better. Working on a farm is a great example of a partnership between humans and nature. Every animal contributes something unique to the team. Horses and donkeys have been strong helpers for centuries, assisting with heavy work and transportation. Goats are clever explorers that can find food in tough places and give us creamy milk, while ducks and geese help keep the farm tidy. These animals aren't just workers, they have personalities, too. A farmer learns to understand their sounds and behaviors, making sure they stay healthy, warm, and well-fed throughout the seasons. The sheep is a domesticated mammal that lives on farms and grasslands around the world. It is an herbivore that eats grass, hay, and plants. Sheep have thick wool for warmth, strong flock behavior, and are commonly kept by people for wool, milk, and meat. Cow. The cow is a large domesticated mammal that lives on farms and grasslands around the world. It is an herbivore that eats grass, hay, and plants. Cows have strong bodies, complex stomachs for digesting plants, and are commonly raised by people for milk, meat, and leather. Horse. The horse is a strong domesticated mammal that lives on farms, grasslands, and ranches around the world. It is an herbivore that eats grass, hay, and grains. Horses have powerful legs for running, excellent endurance, and are commonly kept by people for riding, work, and sport. Pig. The pig is an intelligent domesticated mammal that lives on farms around the world. It is an omnivore that eats plants, fruits, roots, and small animals. Pigs have strong snouts for digging, excellent senses, and are commonly raised by people for meat and sometimes kept as pets. Donkey. The donkey is a hardy domesticated mammal that lives on farms and dry grasslands around the world. It is an herbivore that eats grass, hay, and shrubs. Donkeys have strong hooves for rocky terrain, loud brays for communication, and are commonly kept by people for carrying loads and farm work. Goat. The goat is a domesticated mammal that lives on farms, mountains, and grasslands around the world. It is an herbivore that eats grass, leaves, and shrubs. Goats have strong climbing abilities, curved horns, and are commonly kept by people for milk, meat, and wool. Cat. The cat is a small domesticated mammal that lives in homes, farms, and cities around the world. It is a carnivore that eats meat and small animals. Cats have sharp claws, excellent night vision, and are commonly kept by people as affectionate and independent pets. Chicken. The chicken is a domesticated bird that lives on farms and in rural areas around the world. It is an omnivore that eats grains, seeds, insects, and plants. Chickens have strong scratching feet, communicate with many sounds, and are commonly raised by people for eggs and meat. Duck. The duck is a water bird that lives near ponds, rivers, lakes, and farms around the world. It is an omnivore that eats plants, insects, seeds, and small aquatic animals. Ducks have waterproof feathers, webbed feet for swimming, and are commonly kept by people for eggs, meat, and companionship. Llama. The llama is a domesticated mountain mammal that lives in highlands and farms of South America. It is an herbivore that eats grass, hay, and plants. Llamas have thick wool for cold climates, strong legs for mountain travel, and are commonly kept by people for carrying loads and wool. Dog. The dog is a loyal domesticated mammal that lives in homes, farms, and cities around the world. It is an omnivore that eats meat, vegetables, and specially prepared food. Dogs have strong senses, high intelligence, and are commonly kept by people for companionship, protection, and work. Turkey. The turkey is a large domesticated bird that lives on farms and grasslands of North America and many other regions. It is an omnivore that eats seeds, insects, fruits, and plants. Turkeys have strong legs for running, fan-shaped tails, and are commonly raised by people for meat. Rabbit. The rabbit is a small mammal that lives in grasslands, forests, and homes around the world. It is an herbivore that eats grass, vegetables, and plants. Rabbits have long ears, strong hind legs for jumping, and are commonly kept by people as gentle and social pets. Alpaca. The alpaca is a domesticated mountain mammal that lives in the highlands and farms of South America. It is an herbivore that eats grass, hay, and plants. Alpacas have soft, thick wool for cold climates, gentle behavior, and are commonly kept by people for their valuable fiber. Chinchilla. The chinchilla is a small mountain mammal that lives in rocky regions of South America. It is an herbivore that eats grasses, seeds, and plants. Chinchillas have extremely soft, dense fur for cold climates, large ears for hearing, and are often kept by people as gentle exotic pets. Goldfish. The goldfish is a small freshwater fish that lives in ponds, aquariums, and slow-moving waters. It is an omnivore that eats plants, algae, insects, and fish food. Goldfish have bright, colorful scales, flowing fins, and are commonly kept by people as popular aquarium pets. Our journey through the world of domestic animals has shown us just how much we rely on each other. From the hardworking teams on the farm that provide us with food and materials, to our loyal pets who fill our homes with joy, these animals are our true partners. We learned that being a human friend to an animal is a big responsibility, but it is also one of the most rewarding jobs in the world. By giving them a safe home, good food, and lots of kindness, we ensure that the web of friendship stays strong. Thank you for being such thoughtful little explorers today. If you want to meet more amazing friends with me, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Keep being kind to every creature you meet, and I'll see you on our next big adventure. Hello, my little explorers! My name is the Curious Fairy, and today we are going to open a gateway to a sparkling, frozen kingdom, the magnificent polar regions. Our planet is full of beautiful homes, but the icy ends of the world are truly special with their towering icebergs, secret snowy pathways, and freezing waters. Have you ever wondered who lives deep inside the cold tundra, or who is waddling happily across the thick ice right now? Today, we will become true nature investigators, looking closely at how animals of all shapes and sizes, from the ones soaring high in the freezing night sky to the ones diving deep under the dark waves, share this wonderful, chilly space. So, wrap up warm, open your eyes wide, and come with me. The beautiful northern lights are showing us the way inside. Polar animals live in a rich and diverse habitat filled with tall icebergs, freezing waters, cold tundra, and flowing glacial streams. Many different species share the polar regions and depend on them for food, water, and shelter, creating a vibrant world beneath the beautiful northern lights. Caribou move quietly through the snowy undergrowth eating moss, lichens, and young frozen shoots, always keeping their ears sharp for any distant sound. Arctic foxes use their sharp senses and incredibly thick, white fur to hunt for small rodents hidden beneath the deep snow. On the other hand, puffins dive into the ocean with great agility, moving underwater to find small fish and sand eels for their meals. While daytime animals fill the icy paths, snowy owls glide silently through the freezing sky, using their excellent hearing and eyesight to hunt in the shadows. Meanwhile, massive polar bears search for seals, fish, and other rich foods depending on the season, preparing for the harsh winter storms. Every polar animal plays an important role in nature, helping to maintain a healthy, balanced, and magical ecosystem. Polar bear. The polar bear is a huge Arctic mammal that lives on sea ice and snowy coastlines of the far north. It is a carnivore that eats seals and other marine animals. Polar bears have thick white fur, a deep layer of blubber for warmth, and are powerful swimmers in icy waters. Arctic fox. The Arctic fox is a small mammal that lives in the cold tundra of the Arctic. It is an omnivore that eats lemmings, birds, eggs, berries, and other foods. Arctic foxes have thick fur that changes color with the seasons, fluffy tails, and excellent hearing for finding prey beneath the snow. Reindeer. The reindeer is a hardy Arctic mammal that lives in tundra and northern forests of Europe, Asia, and North America. It is a herbivore that eats lichens, grass, leaves, and moss. Reindeer have thick fur, large antlers, and wide hooves that help them walk on snow. Arctic hare. The Arctic hare is a fast mammal that lives in the cold tundra of the Arctic. It is a herbivore that eats grass, moss, lichens, and small plants. Arctic hares have thick white fur for camouflage, powerful hind legs for running, and short ears that help conserve heat. Stoat. The stoat is a small agile mammal that lives in forests, grasslands, and tundra across Europe, Asia, and North America. It is a carnivore that eats rodents, rabbits, birds, and eggs. Stoats have long, slender bodies, quick movements, and often turn white in winter. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to live on Earth and inhabits oceans around the world. It is a carnivore that feeds mainly on tiny krill. Blue whales have enormous bodies, powerful tails, and can communicate across vast distances using deep underwater calls. Elephant seal. The elephant seal is one of the largest seals in the world and lives on cold ocean coasts and remote islands. It is a carnivore that eats fish, squid, and other marine animals. Elephant seals have enormous bodies, males have trunk-like noses, and they can dive thousands of meters in search of food. Seal. The seal is a marine mammal that lives in cold oceans and coastal regions around the world. It is a carnivore that eats fish, squid, and crustaceans. Seals have streamlined bodies, thick blubber for warmth, sensitive whiskers to detect movement in water, and strong flippers for swimming. Beluga whale. The beluga whale is a white Arctic marine mammal that lives in cold northern oceans and coastal waters. It is a carnivore that eats fish, squid, crustaceans, and worms. Belugas have flexible necks, rounded foreheads, and are famous for making many different sounds. Orca. The orca is a powerful marine mammal that lives in oceans around the world. It is a carnivore that eats fish, seals, penguins, and other marine animals. Orcas have striking black and white markings, travel in family groups called pods, and are among the most intelligent ocean predators. Puffin. The puffin is a small seabird that lives on rocky coasts and islands of the North Atlantic Ocean. It is a carnivore that eats fish and small sea animals. Puffins have colorful beaks, short wings for fast swimming, and nest in underground burrows along steep cliffs. Snowy owl. The snowy owl is a large Arctic bird that lives in the tundra of the Northern Hemisphere. It is a carnivore that eats lemmings, birds, rabbits, and other small animals. Snowy owls have thick white feathers for camouflage, excellent eyesight, and can hunt both day and night. King crab. The king crab is a large marine crustacean that lives on cold ocean floors in northern seas. It is an omnivore that eats algae, worms, shellfish, and small animals. King crabs have long spiny legs, strong claws, and can walk across the seabed searching for food. Penguin. The penguin is a flightless bird that lives in cold regions of the southern hemisphere, especially Antarctica. It is a carnivore that eats fish, krill, squid, and other small sea animals. Penguins have flipper-like wings for swimming, dense waterproof feathers, and gather in large colonies for warmth and protection. Our magical walk across the endless ice and beneath the beautiful northern lights has come to an end, and what a wonderful journey it has been! We have watched the gentle penguins waddle through the icy landscape, admired the quick, white Arctic foxes and the agile, diving puffins, and looked up into the freezing sky with the silent snowy owls and mighty polar bears. By acting as nature investigators, we have learned how every single polar animal works as a team to keep their icy homes safe, healthy, and full of life. Thank you for being such amazing little explorers today. If you want to join me on our next big adventure to discover the hidden secrets of our planet, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Keep your curiosity alive, watch the dancing lights in the sky, and I'll see you very soon! Hello, my curious wildlife explorers! My name is Curious Fairy, and today we are going to discover the amazing world of safari and exotic animals. Together, we will travel through African grasslands, lush rainforests, sunny deserts, sparkling rivers, towering mountains, and tropical islands to meet some of the most incredible animals on Earth. We will learn their names, explore where they live, discover what they eat, and find out about the amazing abilities that help them survive in the wild. Along the way, we will meet powerful lions, gentle elephants, towering giraffes, colorful parrots, playful monkeys, mighty crocodiles, and many other fascinating animals. Every new animal has an exciting story to tell, and each one teaches us something special about nature. Get ready for a fun adventure filled with amazing discoveries, wonderful wildlife, and exciting facts as we explore the beautiful world of safari and exotic animals together. Safari and exotic animals are some of the most amazing creatures on Earth. Safari animals, such as lions, elephants, giraffes, zebras, rhinos, hippos, cheetahs, and crocodiles, mostly live in the grasslands, forests, rivers, and wetlands of Africa. Each animal plays an important role in nature. Some are herbivores that eat plants, others are carnivores that hunt for food, and some are omnivores that eat both plants and animals. They all have unique features that help them survive, from a giraffe's long neck to a cheetah's incredible speed. Exotic animals come from many different parts of the world, including tropical rainforests, deserts, mountains, and islands. Brightly colored macaws fly through the forests of South America with their powerful wings and strong beaks that can crack hard nuts. Cockatoos live in Australia and nearby islands and are famous for their beautiful feather crests and playful personalities. Curious monkeys swing through the trees, chameleons change color to blend into their surroundings, and colorful parrots fill the forests with cheerful sounds. Boa constrictor. The boa constrictor is a large reptile that lives in tropical forests, grasslands, and wetlands of Central and South America. It is a carnivore that eats birds, rodents, and other small animals. This powerful snake catches prey by wrapping around it and squeezing gently but firmly before swallowing it whole. Elephant. The elephant is the largest land mammal and lives in savannas, forests, and grasslands of Africa and Asia. It is an herbivore that eats grass, leaves, bark, and fruit. Elephants use their long trunks to gather food, drink water, and communicate with members of their herd. Giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest land mammal and lives in the savannas and open woodlands of Africa. It is an herbivore that eats leaves, buds, and flowers from tall trees. Its long neck helps it reach food high above the ground, and its spotted coat provides excellent camouflage. Antelope. The antelope is a fast and graceful mammal that lives in grasslands, savannas, and open forests of Africa and Asia. It is an herbivore that eats grass, leaves, and shoots. Strong legs help it run quickly to escape predators, and many species have long curved horns. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros is a large mammal that lives in grasslands, savannas, and forests of Africa and Asia. It is an herbivore that eats grass, leaves, and shoots. Its thick skin helps protect its body, and the horn on its nose is made of the same material as human fingernails. Crocodile. The crocodile is a large reptile that lives in rivers, lakes, wetlands, and coastal areas of Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas. It is a carnivore that eats fish, birds, and mammals. Powerful jaws, sharp teeth, and excellent swimming skills make it a skilled hunter. Cheetah. The cheetah is a fast mammal that lives in the grasslands and savannas of Africa with a small population in Asia. It is a carnivore that eats antelopes, hares, and other small animals. Its slender body, long legs, and flexible spine help it become the fastest land animal on Earth. Peacock. The peacock is a colorful bird that lives in forests, grasslands, and farms of South Asia. It is an omnivore that eats seeds, fruits, insects, and small animals. Male peacocks are famous for their long, dazzling tail feathers, which they spread into a beautiful fan during courtship displays. Zebra. The zebra is a striped mammal that lives in the grasslands and savannas of Africa. It is an herbivore that eats grass, leaves, and young shoots. Every zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes, which helps members of the herd recognize one another and may confuse predators. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is a large mammal that lives in rivers, lakes, and wetlands of Africa. It is an herbivore that eats grass and other plants. Hippos spend much of the day in water to stay cool and protect their skin, then leave the water at night to feed. Lion. The lion is a powerful mammal that lives in the savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands of Africa with a small population in Asia. It is a carnivore that eats antelopes, zebras, and other animals. Lions live in family groups called prides and are known for their loud roars. Gorilla. The gorilla is the largest living primate and lives in the forests of Central Africa. It is mainly an herbivore that eats leaves, stems, fruits, and shoots. Gorillas live in family groups led by a strong silverback male and use sounds, gestures, and facial expressions to communicate. Hyena. The hyena is a clever mammal that lives in the savannas, grasslands, and dry regions of Africa and parts of Asia. It is a carnivore that eats antelopes, small animals, and carrion. Hyenas have powerful jaws, excellent hearing, and live in large social groups called clans. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is an intelligent mammal that lives in the tropical forests and woodlands of Africa. It is an omnivore that eats fruits, leaves, seeds, insects, and sometimes small animals. Chimpanzees use tools, solve problems, and live in social groups where they communicate with sounds and gestures. Vulture. The vulture is a large bird that lives in grasslands, mountains, deserts, and open areas around the world. It is a carnivore that mainly eats carrion. Vultures have excellent eyesight and help keep nature clean by removing dead animals before diseases can spread. Meerkat. The meerkat is a small mammal that lives in the deserts and grasslands of southern Africa. It is an omnivore that eats insects, small reptiles, eggs, fruits, and roots. Meerkats live in family groups and often stand upright to watch for predators and warn the others of danger. Chameleon. The chameleon is a fascinating reptile that lives in forests, woodlands, and shrublands of Africa, Madagascar, and parts of Asia. It is a carnivore that eats insects and other small animals. Chameleons can change their colors, move their eyes independently, and catch prey with a long, sticky tongue. Flamingo. The flamingo is a graceful bird that lives in lakes, lagoons, and wetlands of Africa, the Americas, Asia, and Europe. It is an omnivore that eats algae, tiny crustaceans, and other small aquatic organisms. Flamingos are famous for their pink feathers, long legs, and habit of standing on one leg. Cockatoo. The cockatoo is a clever bird that lives in forests, woodlands, and grasslands of Australia, Indonesia, and nearby islands. It is an omnivore that eats seeds, nuts, fruits, flowers, and insects. Cockatoos are known for their expressive crests, strong beaks, and ability to learn sounds and simple words. Macaw. The macaw is a colorful bird that lives in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. It is an omnivore that eats fruits, nuts, seeds, and sometimes insects. Macaws have strong curved beaks, long tails, and bright feathers that make them some of the most striking parrots in the world. What an amazing adventure we had today! We traveled through beautiful safari lands and explored exciting places where exotic animals live. Together, we learned the names of many incredible animals, discovered where they live, what they eat, and the amazing abilities that help them survive in the wild. Every animal is unique, and each one reminds us how wonderful and important nature is. I hope you had fun exploring and learning with me today. Don't forget to keep being curious and kind to all animals. If you enjoyed this adventure, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and join me again for more exciting journeys into the wonderful world of wildlife. See you next time, my curious wildlife explorers! Hello, my wonderful little explorers! My name is the Curious Fairy, and today I am wearing my invisible diving suit because we are going on a breathtaking journey beneath the waves. We are leaving the dry land behind to dive into a deep, sparkling mystery, the world of sea animals. Together, we will discover magnificent giants that sing in the deep and tiny, colorful fish that dance through the coral reefs. We are going to learn their names, see how they breathe underwater like magic, and even build a spectacular diorama of their secret ocean home. If you are ready to make a big splash and meet our shimmering friends, then come with me, we are diving in right now. The ocean is a vast, sparkling mystery that stretches as far as the eye can see, hiding a deep blue kingdom beneath its waves. Down in the silence of the water, an incredible world of sea animals is waiting to be discovered. In this underwater realm, you might meet magnificent giants that hum songs across the currents or tiny, delicate seahorses that dance through forests of swaying seaweed. Instead of breathing air like we do, these creatures use gills to breathe the water as if by magic. They are covered in shimmering scales that glisten like diamonds whenever a ray of sunlight peeks through the waves. These animals don't walk or run, they soar and glide through the deep, using their fins like powerful underwater wings to turn the entire ocean into one giant, endless playground. Deep within the sunlit shallows, you will find the most spectacular treasure chest of all, the coral reef. This isn't just a collection of colorful rocks, it is a bustling, living city built by millions of tiny architects called polyps. The reef is a brilliant kaleidoscope of shapes and colors where neon fish dart like tiny lightning bolts between golden branches and ancient sea turtles find secret caves to rest. This vibrant underwater forest acts as a safe haven, a nursery of the sea that protects the smallest, most colorful creatures from the dark shadows of the open ocean. It is a place of pure wonder that works hard every single day to keep our blue planet breathing, healthy, and full of life. Walrus. The walrus is a large marine mammal that lives in the cold Arctic seas and on icy shores. It is a carnivore that feeds on clams, mollusks, and other small sea creatures. Walruses have long tusks, thick skin, and sensitive whiskers to find food. Manatee. The manatee is a gentle marine mammal that lives in warm coastal waters, rivers, and lagoons of the Americas and West Africa. It is a herbivore that feeds on seagrass and aquatic plants. Manatees have paddle-like tails, thick skin, and move slowly. Orca. The orca is a powerful marine mammal that lives in oceans around the world, from cold Arctic waters to warmer seas. It is a carnivore that hunts fish, seals, and even whales. Orcas have strong bodies, sharp teeth, and work together in groups called pods. Jellyfish. The jellyfish is a soft-bodied sea animal that lives in oceans all around the world. It is a carnivore that catches small fish and plankton with its stinging tentacles. Jellyfish have transparent bodies, no bones, and drift with ocean currents. Elephant seal. The elephant seal is a huge marine mammal that lives on cold coasts and islands of the Southern Ocean and the Pacific. It is a carnivore that feeds on fish and squid. Elephant seals have thick blubber, large bodies, and males have a trunk-like nose. Whale shark. The whale shark is the largest fish in the world and lives in warm oceans across the globe. It is a filter feeder that eats plankton, tiny fish, and small sea animals. Whale sharks have wide mouths, spotted patterns, and swim slowly and peacefully. Grouper. The grouper is a large reef fish that lives in warm tropical seas near coral reefs and rocky areas. It is a carnivore that eats fish, crabs, and other sea animals. Groupers have big mouths, strong bodies, and can quickly swallow their prey. Dolphin. The dolphin is a smart marine mammal that lives in oceans and some rivers around the world. It is a carnivore that eats fish and squid. Dolphins have smooth bodies, use echolocation to find food, and often live and play in social groups. Guitarfish. The guitarfish is an unusual marine fish that lives in warm coastal waters on sandy bottoms. It is a carnivore that eats small fish, crabs, and other sea animals. Guitarfish have flat bodies like rays, long tails like sharks, and can hide in sand. Moorish idol. The Moorish idol is a colorful reef fish that lives in warm tropical oceans near coral reefs. It is an omnivore that eats algae, sponges, and small sea animals. Moorish idols have long trailing fins, bold black and white stripes, and bright yellow colors. Pelican. The pelican is a large water bird that lives near oceans, lakes, and rivers around the world. It is a carnivore that eats fish. Pelicans have long beaks with a stretchy pouch to catch food, wide wings for soaring, and often hunt in groups. Clownfish. The clownfish is a small, bright reef fish that lives in warm tropical oceans among sea anemones. It is an omnivore that eats algae, plankton, and tiny sea animals. Clownfish have orange bodies with white stripes and are protected by their anemone homes. Fox-faced rabbitfish. The fox-faced rabbitfish is a bright reef fish that lives in warm tropical oceans near coral reefs. It is an herbivore that eats algae and sea plants. Fox-faced rabbitfish have yellow bodies, black faces like a fox, and venomous spines for protection. Seal. The seal is a marine mammal that lives in oceans and cold coastal areas around the world. It is a carnivore that eats fish, squid, and other sea animals. Seals have smooth bodies, flippers for swimming, and whiskers to help find food. Moray eel. The moray eel is a long, snake-like fish that lives in warm oceans near coral reefs and rocky crevices. It is a carnivore that eats fish, crabs, and other sea animals. Moray eels have sharp teeth, strong jaws, and often hide in holes waiting for prey. Stonefish. The stonefish is a well-camouflaged reef fish that lives in warm, shallow coastal waters and coral reefs. It is a carnivore that eats small fish and sea animals. Stonefish look like rocks, stay very still, and have highly venomous spines for defense. Emperor angelfish. The emperor angelfish is a colorful reef fish that lives in warm tropical oceans near coral reefs. It is an omnivore that eats algae, sponges, and small sea animals. Emperor angelfish have bright blue and yellow stripes, and young fish look very different from adults. Seagull. The seagull is a coastal bird that lives near oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers around the world. It is an omnivore that eats fish, insects, and scraps of food. Seagulls have strong wings, loud calls, and can fly long distances over water. Starfish. The starfish is a sea animal that lives on the ocean floor in many parts of the world. It is a carnivore that eats shellfish like clams and mussels. Starfish have 5 arms, rough skin, and can slowly move and even regrow lost arms. Penguin. The penguin is a flightless bird that lives in cold regions of the southern hemisphere, especially Antarctica. It is a carnivore that eats fish, squid, and krill. Penguins have flipper-like wings for swimming, thick feathers, and move well in water. Ribbon eel. The ribbon eel is a long, slender reef fish that lives in warm tropical oceans near sandy burrows and coral reefs. It is a carnivore that eats small fish and crustaceans. Ribbon eels have bright blue or yellow colors and often hide with only their head showing. Octopus. The octopus is a smart sea animal that lives in oceans around the world, often near reefs and rocky areas. It is a carnivore that eats crabs, fish, and shellfish. Octopuses have 8 arms with suction cups, soft bodies, and can change color to hide. Our underwater adventure has come to an end, and what a spectacular journey it was! We dived deep to meet the magnificent whales and sharks that rule the open ocean, and we explored the glowing cities where bright coral fish play hide and seek. We learned that whether they are as big as a mountain or as small as a button, every sea creature is a vital part of our blue planet's heart. By keeping the oceans clean, we become heroes for these amazing friends. You did an incredible job today learning their names and discovering the secrets of the reef. If you want to dive into more mysteries of nature with me, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on our next big splash.